Right now, think about your morning routine. You make your coffee, take that first sip, and for a moment, it feels like everything is working the way it should. But then something feels different. The energy doesn't last. Your body still feels a little slow. That sharp, responsive feeling you once had just isn't the same anymore. And most people assume this is just part of getting older. But here's what many don't realize. The issue isn't your coffee. It's how your body is responding to it. As we age, certain internal systems begin to slow down. The processes that help your body repair itself, maintain strength, and stay energized don't stop. But they become less active, almost like they're still there, just not fully awake. So even when you're doing the same things you've always done, your body isn't getting the same result. And this is where a small shift can make a big difference, because coffee itself is not the problem. In fact, it can be one of the most powerful triggers in your day if your body knows how to respond to it. In this video, you'll discover 5 simple additions you can mix into your coffee, ranked from the least to the most powerful, and one of them works at a level most people never expect. Before we begin, I'd love to hear from you, and I personally read every comment. What do you usually add to your coffee, if anything? Let me know in the comments below, because once you understand this one small change, your morning coffee can start working in a completely different way. Compound number 5, Ceylon cinnamon. Let's start with something most people already recognize, but almost no one uses correctly. Cinnamon. At first, it doesn't sound powerful. It's often seen as just a flavor, something added for taste rather than real impact. But the type of cinnamon you use makes all the difference. Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon, works very differently inside the body compared to the more common versions found in most kitchens. And this is where things get interesting. After 60, one of the biggest shifts in the body happens in how it handles sugar and energy. Even small changes in blood sugar can affect how your body stores fat, how steady your energy feels, and how responsive your system is overall. This is where Ceylon cinnamon plays a unique role. It helps your body respond more efficiently to sugar, not by forcing anything, but by improving how your system manages it. When this process improves, your body is less likely to stay in that constant storage mode and more able to use energy when it needs it. Think of it as helping your system switch gears, from holding on to actually using. And when that shift begins, your body starts feeling different. Energy feels more stable. You don't get the same sudden drops, and your system becomes more responsive overall. But there's another layer to this. Low-level internal stress, something that builds quietly over time, can interfere with how your body signals repair and recovery. Ceylon cinnamon helps calm that background interference, allowing your system to function more smoothly. The result isn't dramatic overnight, it's subtle, but consistent, and that's what makes it effective. Using it is simple. Add about half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon to your coffee and stir well. Let it sit for a moment so it blends properly. Do this daily, because with this compound, consistency matters more than intensity. But while this helps your body manage energy better, the next compound works on something even more important, rebuilding what your body is slowly losing over time. Compound number 4, collagen peptides. Now let's move to something your body is quietly losing every single year. Not energy, not vitamins, structure. After the age of 25, your body produces about 1% less collagen every year. That may not sound like much at first, but by the time you reach 60, that loss becomes very noticeable. It shows up as weaker joints, slower recovery, less stability in movement. And this is where most people misunderstand the problem. They try to boost energy, but ignore what's actually breaking down. Collagen is not just about skin. It forms nearly 30% of the total protein in your body, supporting your bones, muscles, tendons, and connective tissues. So when collagen declines, your entire physical system becomes less supported. Now here's where collagen peptides make a difference. Unlike regular protein, collagen peptides are already broken down into smaller pieces, which makes them easier for your body to absorb and use. And this is important, because your body doesn't just need raw material, it needs something it can actually use efficiently. Research has shown that collagen supplementation can improve joint comfort and mobility in older adults, while also supporting muscle maintenance, especially when taken consistently over time. In simple terms, your body gets the building blocks it needs to repair itself. And when repair improves, everything else starts to feel different. movement becomes smoother, recovery feels faster, your body feels more supported instead of worn down. This is not a quick boost like caffeine. It's something deeper, something that rebuilds. Using it is simple. Add 1 scoop of hydrolyzed collagen peptides into your coffee. It dissolves easily and doesn't change the taste. Take it daily, because with this compound, the effect comes from rebuilding over time, not instant stimulation. But rebuilding structure is only one part of the equation, because the next compound works in a completely different way. It improves how your body delivers energy and oxygen where it's needed most. Before we move on, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to Senior Revival, where simple changes for seniors can lead to a powerful, healthy comeback. Compound number 3, raw cacao. Now here's something most people already enjoy, but almost no one uses to its full potential. Chocolate, or more specifically, raw cacao. Not the processed kind loaded with sugar, but the pure, unprocessed form. And what makes it powerful isn't the taste, it's what it does inside your body. Raw cacao contains natural compounds called flavonoids. One of them has been studied for its ability to support circulation in a very noticeable way. In a study involving older adults, participants who consumed high flavonoid cacao daily experienced about a 20% improvement in blood flow efficiency within just a few weeks. That's significant, because better circulation means something very simple in real life. Your body feels more alive. Your muscles receive what they need faster. Your brain feels more alert. Your energy doesn't fade as quickly. And there's another interesting effect. Cacao helps your body produce more nitric oxide, a natural compound that signals your blood vessels to relax and open. When that happens, blood doesn't struggle to move. It flows more freely. And that's when people start noticing changes like less heaviness in the legs, better endurance while walking, and a more steady sense of energy throughout the day. But cacao doesn't stop there. It also supports how your body uses fuel. In one clinical study, participants showed around a 19% increase in fat utilization during activity after regular cacao intake. In simple terms, the body became better at using stored fat as energy instead of relying only on sugar. That's a big shift. Because after 60, many people feel like their metabolism has slowed down, and this is one of the reasons why. Cacao helps bring some of that efficiency back. Using it is easy. Add 1 tablespoon of raw cacao powder into your coffee and mix it well. It gives a rich, slightly bitter taste that blends naturally. And with consistency, many people notice something simple. They don't just feel awake, they feel more capable. But even better circulation and energy aren't the full story, because the next compound works at a level most people don't expect. It supports your brain and your body at the same time. Compound number 2, lion's mane mushroom. Now we move to something most people have never tried, but once they understand it, they start paying attention, because this one doesn't just support your body, it works directly with your brain and nervous system, and that changes everything. After 60, it's not just physical strength that shifts. You may notice small changes like slower thinking, forgetting names or details, feeling mentally less sharp than before. And many people assume this is just part of aging. But what's actually happening is deeper. The communication between your brain and body begins to slow down. Signals don't travel as efficiently, and your system becomes less responsive over time. This is where lion's mane stands out. It contains natural compounds that support something called nerve growth factor, a key signal your body uses to maintain and repair nerve cells. In simple terms, it helps your brain stay connected. And when that connection improves, your body responds differently. In a study involving older adults, participants who took lion's mane daily showed around a 14% improvement in cognitive performance over several weeks compared to those who didn't. That may sound small, but in real life, it feels meaningful. People often notice clearer thinking, better focus, more confidence in daily movement. Because your brain doesn't just control memory, it controls balance, reaction time, coordination. So when your brain becomes more responsive, your entire system follows. There's also another layer to this. Lion's mane supports long-term regeneration, not in a fast, stimulating way, but in a gradual rebuilding process that helps your body maintain function over time. That's why the results feel different. Not like a quick boost, but like something is quietly improving in the background. Using it is simple. Add about half a teaspoon of lion's mane powder into your coffee and stir well. The taste is mild and blends easily. Take it daily. Because this isn't about instant energy, it's about restoring how your system communicates and responds. And now we come to the final compound, the one that works at the deepest level, helping your body respond in a way that feels almost like a reset. Compound number 1, resveratrol. Now we come to the final compound, and this is where everything comes together. Because while the previous ones support energy, structure, circulation, and brain function, this one works at the deepest level inside your body, your cells. As we age, it's not just that our body slows down, it's that our cells become less active. They don't repair as efficiently. They don't respond as quickly. And over time, that affects everything you feel on the outside. This is where resveratrol becomes different. It targets the systems that control how your cells behave, especially those involved in repair and maintenance. In simple terms, it helps your cells act younger than they are. Research has shown that resveratrol can activate certain proteins linked to cellular repair and longevity. In one study, participants showed measurable improvements in metabolic function, along with reductions in internal stress markers after consistent use. Another study found that regular intake was associated with around a 30% improvement in metabolic efficiency, meaning the body became better at using energy instead of storing it. That's a big shift, because when your cells become more efficient, your entire body starts to feel it. You may notice better stamina, more stable energy, less feeling of heaviness. Not because something is being forced, but because your system is working the way it's supposed to. There's also a connection to how your body handles fat. Resveratrol has been linked to improved fat metabolism, helping your body use stored energy more effectively instead of holding on to it. That's why many people feel lighter over time. Using it is simple. Add a small measured amount of resveratrol powder into your coffee and mix well. It blends easily and doesn't overpower the taste. Some people prefer taking it with a small amount of healthy fat to improve how the body absorbs it. Consistency matters here more than anything else. Because this compound doesn't just support your system, it helps reset how it functions from within. And when you combine everything you've seen so far, you start to realize something important. It's not about changing your routine completely. It's about making one simple change that helps your body respond in a completely different way. Now you might be thinking, do you need to use all of these every single day? Not at all. The real shift isn't about doing more. It's about doing one thing differently. Instead of drinking plain coffee the same way every morning, you begin adding something your body can actually respond to. You can start simple. Pick one compound that feels easiest for you and use it consistently. Over time, you can explore others if you want, but there's no need to rush or overcomplicate it. Because even a small change, done daily, can begin to create noticeable results. You can also rotate them throughout the week, some days focused on support, other days focused on activation. This keeps things simple while still giving your body what it needs. And here's what matters most. This is not about forcing your body to change. It's about helping it respond the way it was designed to. That's the difference. That's the one small shift most people miss. And once you make that shift, you don't just feel temporary energy. You start feeling more capable, more responsive, more in control again. So here's a simple question to think about. Are you just drinking your coffee the same way every day? Or are you ready to turn it into something your body can actually use? We're building a community here to support your strong, healthy comeback. If this helped you, I'd truly appreciate a like and if you subscribe. Also share it with someone you love. And join me in the next video for another simple step toward better health.